I have an important insight to share with you. A goal is a dream with a deadline. Dreams fuel our imagination and ignite our passion. They inspire us to envision a future that is brighter and more fulfilling. When you set a goal, you are giving your dream a destination. You are providing it with structure, purpose, and a sense of urgency. Attach a deadline to your goals, soldier. This creates a sense of urgency and holds you accountable for taking action. Remember, setting a goal is not merely wishful thinking. It is a commitment to yourself, a declaration that you are dedicated to making your dream a tangible outcome. So, soldier, transform your dreams into goals with clear deadlines. Let your aspirations guide your actions, and let the pursuit of your goals be a testament to your determination and resolve. Embrace the journey, and let each step forward bring you closer to the fulfillment of your dreams. A successful man is one who can lay a firm foundation with the bricks others have thrown at him. Throughout life, you will encounter individuals who may try to bring you down, throw obstacles in your path, or cast doubt on your abilities. Rather than letting the bricks thrown at you become stumbling blocks, use them to build a solid foundation. Let the criticisms, setbacks, and hardships fuel your determination and drive. Adapt, learn, and grow from the experiences that test your resilience. Embrace the mindset of a true warrior, soldier. Rise above negativity and prove your worth through your actions. Let the bricks thrown at you become the building blocks of your success. A successful man does not let the actions of others define his path. He uses the bricks thrown at him to construct a solid foundation, a platform from which he can rise above adversity and reach new heights of achievement. Go out and get busy. Action is the antidote to fear. Fear has a way of paralyzing us, holding us back from reaching our full potential. But remember, fear is often based on the unknown, on what we imagine might happen. The best way to overcome it is to confront it head-on. Instead of dwelling on your fears, take proactive steps to face them. Get busy, soldier. Engage in activities that challenge you, that push you outside your comfort zone. Confronting your fears requires courage, but it is through action that you prove to yourself that fear does not control you. Embrace discomfort, push through uncertainty, and let each experience become a stepping stone towards conquering your fears. Remember, it is in the doing that we find strength and growth. Take calculated risks, challenge yourself, and embrace the unknown. With each step forward, fear diminishes, and your resilience grows. Arriving at one goal is merely the starting point to another. The pursuit of success is a continuous journey of growth, improvement, and setting new aspirations. When you achieve a goal, take a moment to celebrate your accomplishment and acknowledge the hard work and dedication that led you there. Success is not a destination, but a series of milestones along the way. Each goal achieved opens doors to new opportunities and challenges. Set your sights on new goals that inspire you and align with your aspirations. As you embark on this new chapter, carry the lessons and experiences gained from previous accomplishments. They will serve as valuable resources, guiding you towards future success. Remember, the journey towards success is not always smooth and setbacks may arise, but with each goal achieved, you gain the confidence and resilience needed to overcome any obstacle that stands in your way. Be the creator, not the destroyer. In every aspect of life, aim to build, inspire, and bring positive change. As humans, we possess incredible power to shape our surroundings and influence the lives of others. It is our duty to channel this power towards creation rather than destruction. Instead of tearing down, seek to build up. Choose to be a force for good, soldier. Create opportunities, cultivate relationships, and foster environments that promote growth and well-being. Remember, destruction is easy, but creation requires vision, effort, and perseverance. It takes courage to rise above negativity and contribute to something greater than yourself. Let your actions speak volumes, soldier. Whether it's through your work, your relationships, or your contributions to society, strive to leave a positive mark. Embrace your role as a creator, and take pride in the legacy you leave behind. Our minds have tremendous power, soldier. They can be our greatest asset or our most formidable foe. It is essential to recognize that the negative thoughts, self-criticism, and limiting beliefs that dwell within us can sabotage our progress and hinder our success. Take control of your thoughts, soldier. Train your mind to be your ally, not your enemy. Cultivate a positive mindset and replace self-doubt with self-belief. Challenge the negative narratives and replace them with empowering affirmations. Choose to focus on your strengths, your potential, and the possibilities that lie ahead. Remember, soldier, you are capable of greatness. Don't allow the voice of doubt or self-sabotage to hold you back. Be aware of the inner critic and choose to silence it with self-compassion, determination, and a steadfast belief in your abilities. Surround yourself with positivity, soldier. Seek out uplifting influences, supportive comrades, and mentors who believe in your potential. Our minds are powerful, soldier. They can be our greatest ally or our fiercest adversary. It is crucial to understand that the negative thoughts, self-criticism, and limiting beliefs that reside within us can hold us back and impede our progress. Take control of your mind, soldier. Train it to be your ally, not your enemy. Cultivate a positive mindset and replace self-doubt with self-belief. Challenge the negative thoughts and replace them with empowering and affirming ones. Focus on your strengths, your capabilities, and the possibilities that lie ahead. Remember, soldier, you are capable of greatness. Don't let the voice of doubt or self-sabotage hinder your path. Recognize the power of your thoughts and choose to feed your mind with positivity, determination, and resilience. Build a network of individuals who inspire and motivate you to overcome challenges and reach new heights. I attribute my success to this. I never gave or took any excuse. Excuses are the shackles that hold us back from achieving greatness. They are the enemies of progress and personal growth. To succeed, you must rid yourself of the habit of making excuses. Instead of finding reasons why something cannot be done, focus on finding ways to overcome obstacles and challenges. Take ownership of your actions and responsibilities, and refuse to accept excuses from yourself or others. Excuses only serve as barriers to your potential. They limit your ability to problem solve, adapt, and persevere. Excuses are often born out of fear, doubt, or a desire to avoid discomfort. So, soldier, make a commitment today. Let go of the excuses that hold you back. Take ownership of your actions, hold yourself accountable, and refuse to accept anything less than your best. The path to success is paved with discipline, resilience, and a refusal to make or accept excuses. Excellence is not a fleeting occurrence, soldier. It is not a single act or achievement. It is a way of life, a commitment to constantly strive for the highest standards in everything we do. It is in the daily choices, the disciplined actions, and the relentless pursuit of improvement that excellence is forged. Embrace the power of habit, soldier. Make excellence your default mode of operation. Cultivate a mindset that seeks continuous growth and improvement. Commit to consistently giving your best effort, no matter the task at hand. Train yourself to go above and beyond what is expected, to exceed your own expectations, and to push the boundaries of what you thought possible. Remember, soldier, that greatness is not reserved for the chosen few. It is within your grasp, but it requires discipline, perseverance, and a commitment to excellence. It is through the accumulation of small, positive habits that we shape our character and create a foundation for success. First, forget about relying solely on inspiration. Instead, focus on developing strong habits. Habits are far more dependable and will sustain you, whether you feel inspired or not. Inspiration can be a wonderful catalyst, sparking creativity and motivation. However, it's often unreliable and unpredictable. Instead, cultivate the power of habit. Make it a practice to work consistently, whether you feel inspired or not. Habit provides a sturdy foundation for your creative endeavors. It allows you to show up, put in the work, and make steady progress over time. So, soldier, don't wait for inspiration to strike before you take action. Develop a habit of consistent effort and discipline. Remember, it's through the power of habit that you build momentum and make significant strides toward your goals. Inspiration may come and go, but habit will be there to sustain you. In life, if you constantly tread cautiously, always afraid of taking risks or making a lasting impact, you'll find that your presence becomes fleeting and easily forgotten. Leaving a meaningful imprint requires stepping boldly, embracing challenges, and taking confident strides. Walking on your toes may give you a false sense of security, but it limits your ability to truly make a difference. Great achievements and lasting legacies are born from audacity, passion, and the willingness to go beyond your comfort zone. It's about standing tall, firmly planting your feet, and fearlessly pursuing your dreams and aspirations. Yes, taking risks involves the possibility of failure or facing obstacles. Take bold steps, leave footprints that others can follow, and make a lasting difference in the world. Life is too short to tiptoe around, so march forward with confidence, purpose, and the determination to leave a legacy worth remembering. Listen closely. When you wake up, you should ask yourself, how can I push myself in the next 24 hours? Each new day presents an opportunity for growth, progress, and self-improvement. By starting your day with a proactive mindset, you set the tone for the hours that lie ahead. Soldier, challenge yourself to go beyond your comfort zone. Ask yourself how you can push your limits, expand your skills, and make the most of the day. Consider what specific actions you can take to move closer to your goals. Set ambitious but achievable targets for the day and commit to taking steps towards them. Remember, soldier, progress is often made through small, consistent efforts. Break down your larger goals into manageable tasks and tackle them one by one. As you embark on each new day, approach it with a sense of purpose and determination. Embrace the challenge, soldier, and let each day be a stepping stone towards becoming the best version of yourself. Fear can be a formidable barrier that holds us back from pursuing our dreams and aspirations. It has the power to paralyze us, to keep us within our comfort zones, and to prevent us from reaching our full potential. But here's the crucial insight. The very things you desire, the goals you strive for, the life you envision, all of it lies on the other side of fear. It's when you push through your fears, step outside your comfort zone, and confront the unknown that you unlock new opportunities and possibilities. It's when you overcome fear that you discover your true capabilities and resilience. Don't let fear be the deciding factor in your life, soldier. Instead, use it as a catalyst for growth and personal development. Remember, the greatest rewards often await those who are willing to face their fears. So, soldier, summon your courage, confront your fears, and step boldly into the unknown. Life is filled with ups and downs, victories and defeats, but ultimately, it's your mindset and choices that determine the course of your journey. You have the power to shape your future and make each moment count. It means leaving behind the regrets and disappointments of the past and focusing on the present moment and the endless possibilities that lie ahead. No matter what challenges you faced or what obstacles may come your way, you have the resilience and strength to overcome them. Instead of dwelling on the past or worrying about the future, choose to be fully present in each moment. Remember, it's never too late to start anew and create the life you desire. Life is a precious gift, and it's up to you to make the most of it. By choosing to make the rest of your life the best of your life, you empower yourself to create a future filled with purpose, joy, and extraordinary experiences. How you perceive the challenges and obstacles that come your way can greatly impact your path to success. The pessimist tends to focus on the negative aspects, seeing only the difficulties and limitations in every situation. On the other hand, the optimist chooses to see the silver lining, even in the face of adversity. They view difficulties as opportunities for growth, learning, and finding innovative solutions. By shifting your perspective, you'll unlock a world of possibilities that were previously hidden. Instead of being discouraged by setbacks, you'll approach them with a sense of curiosity and determination. Remember, soldier, it's not the external circumstances that dictate your success, but rather your mindset and how you choose to perceive and respond to them. Challenge yourself to see beyond the surface-level challenges and seek out the lessons and growth opportunities they present. Attention, viewer. As the Master Chief, I have a simple request for you. If you have found value, inspiration, or enjoyment in the video you are currently watching, I kindly ask for your support. Sharing is a powerful act that allows ideas to spread, messages to reach a wider audience, and communities to come together. So, if this video has resonated with you, if it has stirred something within your heart, I encourage you to share it with others. Whether it's through social media, word of mouth, or any other means available to you, your simple act of sharing can make a significant difference. It can reach those who may need this message the most, those who are searching for guidance, motivation, or a renewed sense of purpose. Remember, we are not alone in this journey. Together, we can create a ripple effect that transcends boundaries and brings people together in pursuit of a better tomorrow. So, my friend, if you appreciate the video you are watching, I humbly ask for your support. Share it with others, and let us ignite the flames of inspiration and change within the hearts of many. Together, we can make a lasting impact on the world we share.